itself up on the punching machine now.
Cannot wait, I'm so buzzing. What a fight. Absolutely brilliant fight. Hi guys, welcome back. We're on tour with Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Saudi Arabia. We're in Riyadh and we're at the Kingdom Arena.
Preston, Northwest.
Preston Northwest?
Preston Northwest, round the corner from Morecambe.
Nice to meet you, mate. From Pompey?
Pompey, nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good one, mate.
And you, mate. All the best. Gypsy King to win.
Yes, come on, lad.
Right, we're currently about to go into the Kingdom Arena to watch Tyson Fury versus Alexander Usyk. Let's go. Entrance. Kingdom. This way. Thank you. As you probably saw, plenty of British here, obviously supporting Tyson Fury. I'm absolutely buzzing. This is like, I've been waiting so long for this. This is the biggest fight in boxing, and I honestly can't believe I'm here. Not the easiest entrance to find, I must say. Walking in the pitch black, and we've suddenly got to like a light area and still can't find our way. It's not very well lit, to be honest.
Look at this view of the city though. Look at it over there. All lit up.
Didn't even notice that.
It is like 11:30 at night now. We had a little nap before we popped out, and now we're heading inside. The main event won't be on until 1 AM, about 11 o'clock UK time, but I'm looking forward to getting there and seeing the atmosphere and seeing what the Kingdom Arena is like. It looks massive just from the outside. And it looks like it's got AC. I ain't got a clue if we're walking the right way.
This way.
This way?
Thank you.
Thank you. So we just asked someone, they said it's this way.
Saudis are so helpful though, aren't they?
They always are.
So good.
Even though they don't speak our language, they always try and help.
They're brilliant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We finally found the entrance. Thank you. Oh, first thing first, we were dying for a
I
water.
actually have no idea how much it was. You?
Free, I think. Free star.
Oh, was it?
I saw the sign. But we've just come in and look at it. This looks so cool. So we've got like Pizza Hut, memorabilia. What's it? Memorabilial things?
Memorabilia.
Memorabilia.
Merchandise. It's merchandise.
Yeah, we've got all that
official
here.
merchandise.
Oh, just gonna have a look. This looks so. Look how nice this is. I'll tell you what, the staff getting in is so nice. We had a problem at the first gate. Our ticket said green gate, went all the way there. Then once we got connected to internet and they refreshed us, it said orange gate. So we had to walk all the way back. But they nearly didn't let us in with the camera. And then we said, oh, we walked like 2 hours to get here. We haven't got a car. They were like, all right then, let us in. They were really nice about it.
Brilliant. So good.
I'm excited. Let's go and see what the Kingdom Arena is like.
Some of this merchandise is probably sick, honestly.
Ben's going to show himself up on the punching machine now. Go on, Ben. Told you it was aircon.
It is inside.
Told you. Whoa.
Found our block, now we've got to find our seat, so yeah, we're getting there, I think. First impressions of our seats, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with this, right? Our seats were like £22, so I thought I was expecting the worst. We picked right at the front of our block and look at our view. No fighting going on yet, but I'm pretty sure there's probably only one more fight and then the main event. Right, the fighters are just coming out for the co-main event. We're going to take our seats again, a little bit noisy, but we'll show you some action when we get up there.
Good old wifey bought his glasses for him so he can actually see.
I can actually see. I was wondering what was going on, but it turns out there's a boxing event going on.
Look how quiet it's gone. We've come back outside. We've probably got an hour until the main event, so we said we'll come and have a little look out here. Ben's seeing how much the hats are.
133.
133.
133.
Ooh, for a hat. They are quite smart though.
Yeah.
We're just having a wander around at like the food court and the drinks, just seeing if there's any famous people. I don't know if they've got like a separate area, but
Yeah, they got that, haven't they?
I'm not sure. But you never know. Just go for a little wander, something to do. It's quite a nice, cool evening.
Imagine it, like Lennox Lewis starts walking through or something.
I wouldn't even know what he looks like if you walk past me.
Oh, you would if you saw him. He's massive.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
We've got some popcorn here. But we're so thirsty. We had some dinner before we come out, and we're both so full from it. We just need a drink.
Attention everyone. The main fight is about to begin. Please proceed to your seats.
And that's where we're going.
Me and Reanne are going to give our final predictions before it starts. I'm going to go Tyson Fury 10th round. Rianne's going to go
9th round. I always go 9th. 9th is my lucky number.
So we're both going Tyson Fury knockout. Anything can happen. This is a real close fight. Two of the top fighters at the top of their game. Cannot wait. I'm so buzzing. Look how busy it's got now. Like, everyone's obviously coming to their seats for the main event. See Michael Buffer's just on the stage there, so that means we're about to start. There he is.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moments away from boxing history in the Ring of Fire main event. At this time, we shall honor our host nation, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, with this national anthem.
Best production I've ever seen for a fight. This is absolutely unbelievable.
And we're going to find out who the best heavyweight in the world is. Alexander.
Followers travel far and wide to bear witness to a time when many gypsy families wrote Tyson Fury. The undefeated Tyson Fury.
Fury looks cool, he's dancing, typical Fury fashion, and he's absolutely brimming with confidence. He's going to bring it to the fight. I'm 100% confident in him. Lots of Ukrainians surrounded by him. Right, it's 20 to 2 in the morning and we're just about to start the main event. I'm absolutely buzzing.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Exactly what I expect. A clean professional fight for the unified heavyweight championship of the world. Protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves, delectable.
Not a lot happening in this round, but Tyson's like showboating a little bit already. But they're just sort of feeling each other out at the moment. No big shots landed. There we go, just speaking of the devil. I think Fury won that round. 1-1. It was a good fight. Some good clean punches that landed in that round.
Tiredness is starting to kick in now. It is 2 AM, but it's an interesting fight. I think we're on round six, we're halfway through.
It's close, you know. I've got Fury one round up, and this round's pretty close.
This arena is probably one of the best I've ever been to, and like our seats are cheap seats, and we can see really well still. I can see like what they're doing. Like,
the production of this show has been amazing.
It's a beautiful arena, and it's so spaced out. It's not like they've tried to cram so many people. Oh, I'm not sure what happened there. Maybe I should watch it. Oh, it's got his binoculars out.
Might as well watch it on TV. Very close. I've got it 1 round in favour of Fury.
So we're on the 9th round now. The round that I said I think Fury's going to win, but at the moment it's looking close.
Yeah, Usyk won the last round. Yeah, but I've got Fury 1 up. I'm a little bit biased, so it's very close.
Yeah, we don't know where it's going, but it's fun. The atmosphere is so good.
Yeah, the Ukrainians are singing them probably more, aren't they?
Yeah, but the names sound so familiar when they chant it, so I'm like,
Yeah, Usyk and Fury.
So we're like just joining in with any.
How that fight didn't get stopped. Fury got it with some big shots and he was bouncing off the ropes. The ropes were keeping him up. The ref jumped in a little bit slow to count, but I'm surprised it didn't get stopped.
I think it's got to stop now.
Yeah, I'll just see what happens in this round, but it could get stopped now.
12 and final round.
What a fight! Absolutely brilliant fight. I reckon Usyk might have it. I'm not 100% though. It's very, very, very close. What do you reckon?
I reckon Usyk.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Manuel Oliver Palermo scores the contest 115 to 112 for Usyk, 114, 113 for Fury. Mike Fitzgerald has it, 114, 113 to the winner by split decision from Ukraine.
Half an hour walk home. That was absolutely fantastic. It's one of the best events I've ever been to. They're just so well organised and
Amazing, wasn't it?
yeah, and like it's not crammed, it's not like tacky. There's AC in the like your cool, so make sure you got a jacket because it gets a little bit like jacket weather. It's not cold.
It was an absolute spectacle though, wasn't it?
Oh,
Like,
it's absolutely amazing.
Such an amazing show. To be honest, I thought the right man won.
Yeah,
I
100%.
think the knockdown was the difference. It was a great fight, two absolute great champions. And I want to see the rematch.
Of course you do.
I'm sure it's going to be in Saudi again, so we'll have to come back with it.
Definitely. If you don't know already, Ben's obviously a massive boxing fan. He used to box about 3 years ago.
Yeah, 4 years ago.
3 or 4 years ago, before we started travelling, got a head injury from it, and that's why he stopped, and that's why he's half blind and walks into everything. But we've got like a long walk home, but look how busy it is now. I bet everyone's got a car, but no, us, we're gonna walk. It's actually quite pleasant now, isn't it?
Yeah, we might stop in McDonald's to get McFlurry.
We had one yesterday, and it's a brownie one. It's so good.
It was
isn't
unbelievable.
It was really good.
Oh,
and
yeah.
he's the one who mentioned it. I'm normally the dessert person, like, should we get ice cream? But he's the one who said it.
I'm banging into ice cream at the moment.
I know, it's like, because we walk so much at the moment, we don't mind like being a bit naughty, do we?
Yeah, no. Good morning, it's the next day. We didn't actually get in till 4 AM, so we are a little bit tired. In regards to the fight, I thought the right man won. Just a little mention on the event. Thank you to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You put on the most magnificent show I have ever been to. The arena was amazing. The show was unbelievable. The lights, the stage, the things coming down from the ceiling. Just a real absolute honour and blessing to be there. Thank you. We will definitely be back for the rematch. But anyway, make sure you watch the next video because we're going to be exploring the crazy nightlife here in Saudi Arabia. So subscribe.
I think about 11 o'clock UK